Okay, so today I want to talk about the periodic table and some things that can be learned at it by looking at it. The more you go into chemistry, the more you'll learn about it, things like periodic trends, but kind of just the setup and what we're looking at when we look at here. So the periodic table is a list of all the elements that exist on the planet that we know of yet. And kind of the ones down here are ones we're discovering or making per se. And then the way it's set up as you go across, the number of protons go up. And so when we look at just the little, if we look at one little element here, it has, for this one, the atomic number up here. It has the atomic mass, and then also its name and its symbol. And so that's what kind of resides in the box. From this, we also, by the position of them, by groups, they're grouped in certain categories. So vertically, they are collected in groups, and groups have have similar properties, and they're also grouped or put arranged in a row or a period. From these rows, or from each group is kind of special. So the first group, we have our alkali metals, we have our alkali earth metals. So this group, from looking at it, they have one extra electron in their their outer energy field, and so they want to give an electron away. These guys want to give two away, so we'd write a 2 plus charge above this row. Then we have the noble gases over here. So these guys are happy and don't really like to bond very well with anything. And these guys are the halogens, and they like to get rid of one, or they want one electron. So we'd usually draw 1 minus charge there, 2 minus charge here, 3 minus charge there. And so that's kind of some things to set up about it. I also want to talk about metals versus nonmetals, and that's what this line really is here. All of these to the left of the line are metals. We have our transition metals right here in the middle, but metals here and kind of over here too, but metals right here. And then over here we have our nonmetals, and so we can kind of see oxygen, carbon, nitrogen. Hydrogen is kind of weird because it's over here, but it is a nonmetal as well. And so that's kind of some things to know. Also, we have our lanthanides and actinides here. They're pretty special. They would go here, but they're not, just to save space in this setup of the periodic table. But that's kind of the setup and some things to know off of the periodic table.